and in this episode of my coding game series, I'm going to solve this puzzle, logically reasonable inequalities. We are looking at a system of inequalities. Here, all inequalities are simple and consist of one variable on each side. Considering a system of strict inequalities, determine whether this system is inherently consistent or if there is a flaw. A flaw is a contradiction of two or more inequalities. This is not possible from a logical point of view. I'm going to continue using Python. So for the first line, the coding game is providing me is a positive integer n. The for loop is inequalities of format, which is letter over letter, or a greater than symbol letter. And for the print, for the output is a string consistent if all inequalities are consistent, or contradiction if there's a contradiction found. So for constraints, if 0 less than n is less than 26, then letter is a single letter in uppercase. So for input, so all of this will perform this, because if it's 2 and A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then the output will be consistent. There's 5 test cases for me to solve, and let's do it.